What's going on, crew? Today I'm going to show you guys how to get free coins on the Wizz app. So let me just open it up and show you. As you can see, guys, in the Wizz app, I have not a lot of coins, but I have the mod menu right here and we can turn on unlimited coins. So I'm going to press unlock and let's see if it adds the coins to our account. So as you can see here, it is adding them. So let's see what happens. Hopefully it works. And then we're gonna be rich. Okay, it says they were added, so let's see. And bang, guys, look at that, they're going up like crazy. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download this Wizz mod so you can get unlimited coins. So let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing we're gonna do is go to the website matrixmods.com. So once you're on this site, guys, go to the search bar and literally all you have to do is type in Wizz, and then it will come up and you can read all about it. So just go ahead and press download and it's going to start downloading the mod you just saw. But of course there's one more step, and that is the verification. So during this step we just need to download 2 different apps which are free from the official app store, and then what we need to do is complete the instructions on the app. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's really easy. So as you can see, it says we're almost there. And we just need to download 2 of these apps. So there's a whole list of them, so just do 2 of them, like Family Island. You know, it says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. I could do Underdog Fantasy, which just says down and run for 30 seconds. You know, True Finance has some instructions on the next page, so just make sure you guys download 2 of the apps. You should get free coins on Wizz, guys, so it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to tell your friends about this because it's actually working, and I just want to bring to light this situation for the gamer community. So yeah, peace out, guys. This is super cool.